Hello and welcome back. Today I am home. I actually am not doing one of my shakes today. It's a cheat day. And so what I've decided to do, I didn't have a car. My wife has one car, my daughter has the other car, my son has the other car, and the other car we're picking up later today. So I decided to eat out. And so what I did was I called Domino's and I called Pizza Hut and I said, give me some food. So, out of the kindness of their hearts, they gave me some stuffed cheesy bread from Domino's, and I also got some delicious penne pasta, and this is their chicken Alfredo. Might have started on that a little bit before the video took. And then I also ordered, this is dessert for later, and I also ordered some Pizza Hut. And Pizza Hut has a little, kind of their cheesesteak or cheese bread alternative, and that is these cheesy garlic bites. And I think they're stuffed cheesy garlic bites. They're really delicious, and I like them already. One of the things that I liked, along with the pasta that I got from Pizza Hut, was some breadsticks. Now these breadsticks came with the pasta, and I ordered the cheesy bites. I didn't get breadsticks along with the Domino's order. It was just the pasta. So a little bit extra. On the flip side of that, though, it was a little bit cheaper to get the what I purchased from Domino's. Of course, I have to take out or include the cookie dough or the cookies. I mean, the nutritious health food that they snack. Now I really like the garlic bread, or the breadsticks, I should say. Now this is Pizza Hut's Tuscany Alfredo chicken. And you can probably pick this up on camera, but as you look at this, there's actually kind of a crust on top. I really like it. It really is delicious. And they use their rotini noodles instead of a penne noodle. Good flavor, good texture with the noodles. I think the rotini noodles are a little more al dente. They always taste a little bit more al dente because of the way that they are in there. I'm going to try out some, or the way they're shaped, I should say. So this is the penne pasta. This is the chicken Alfredo penne pasta from Domino's. I like it. It's really good. Both on flavor, on both of these on the flavor, a little bit bland. And it sounds like I have the door. So I'm going to go get the door. And then last little part of the taste test. The cheesy bread. I mean, this is all kinds of cheesy bread, as you can see. They're both really good. Both really good quality cheese bread, stuffed cheese bread. Really enjoy it. Thanks for coming and visiting with us today. We'll have more videos back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. That's really good.